Hey guys, after many years, my masterclass is finally available. So what does masterclass mean? This masterclass is a comprehensive, focused 3-month study schedule. So it comes with approximately 4 hours of instructional footage, as well as a whole set of resources that come along with it that guide your 3-month study schedule. So what does it come with? What is in this masterclass? It comes with 2.5 hours of beginner-friendly but comprehensive beginner to advanced grayscale portrait class, the main spine of the masterclass. It comes with 1.5 hours class on grayscale to color, which includes color theory covered over 3 diverse skin tones from pale to dark. It also comes with something very unique that not a lot of other masterclasses out there offer, which is text notes. It comes with 7,000 words plus of notes written by me, from definitions, fundamental terminology, class terminology, task lists, so many lists for those who are list-oriented technical thinkers. This is a whole set of extra companion notes that basically move with the video, so you can follow the notes and they are synced with the video. And for those who have canvas shyness and want to try a different type of portrait, the class comes with 3 pre-made portrait templates that have a variety of faces, from something a little bit more realistic all the way to the one that you guys start with, which is a bit more general commercial beauty. It comes with my own custom brushes, Photoshop brushes that I used in the masterclass. So you are not left without any of the resources, and you can duplicate everything that I did in class, in that masterclass, in your canvas. It also comes with the comprehensive study schedule. It's very beginner friendly, but it works its way down to having more advanced assignments towards the last 4 or 6 weeks of the study schedule. And it's a 3-month study schedule. The videos are easy to follow with a comfortable pace and teaching flow, and any term I use is explained to you in detail. So I stop and explain it, I stop and diagram what it is I just referred to. You get texture study homework, form study homework, portrait study homework, all types of homework that help you understand portraits better. I don't believe in that it takes 10,000 hours or 1,000 hours theory to get better. I don't believe in that. I believe that if you study in a very efficient way, instead of just chucking a bunch of mileage in your general direction until you improve, there are ways to boost improvement efficiently, so you still improve with the same level and saturation of knowledge, but it is just adjusted in such a way where you're not studying random objects at random times and random styles whenever you have a whim to study, but you have a very clear blueprint for which fundamentals come out of which type of study, and how to emit color and when to bring color back in, and what specific shape to master in order to get better at portraits. That is what this study schedule is all about, giving you the same kind of mileage that you would in a year but in 3 months. It is actual, real, concrete studies that you can follow in order to improve rapidly, because if you understand the basics, you can understand the advanced work. You can understand the basic shapes, you understand how they piece together to create the more advanced image. And I guide you through every single step of the process. This masterclass is a step-by-step, style-friendly, but not style-focused, all-in-one portraiture course. If you're a visual learner, this class is for you. If you're a technical learner who needs lists and a clearly mapped order of tasks, the companion text does just that. Every possible brushstroke you need to know for the portrait is listed for you and explained for you in the video. The type of universal portrait that you learn how to paint is applicable to all media. It's an excellent foundation course, an excellent foundation portrait for anyone in art school trying to perfect their fine art portrait skills. It's great for those who aspire to paint more skillful portraits in general, for splashes, fan art, personal art commissions, or developing a hybrid stylized art. This masterclass is applicable to all skill levels, so there is no skill minimum. If you've just picked up a paintbrush, that's okay, because this class covers everything. I detail every fundamental and every technique I use, from beginner shapes and shadow study to intermediate structure and anatomy, all the way to advanced details and polishing. This masterclass covers all levels of the portrait process. It's my belief that anything that can happen does happen on a face when it comes to form theory. So the human face is the perfect entry-level subject when getting into the world of art. On the face, you learn crevices, edges, curves, and edge control. You learn blocking, geometric anatomy, and planes. You learn organic anatomy and beauty and symmetry. You learn contrast control, color theory, and light environment. You learn it all. This class covers it all. I also believe that a portrait is the most important part of your portfolio, and being able to build characters and tell stories is why we've all chosen to pursue art to begin with. So why not start with perfecting your portraits? And because you learn everything that can happen on a portrait, it is the perfect entry assignment into the world of environments, the world of figure drawing, and everything else after that. By learning and studying the sphere, by learning and studying the cylinder and the cube, you are able to break down all textures that you may come across in your illustrations. But you have to start somewhere. I have been teaching for over 10 years now, and this masterclass has been 10 years in the making. From the first minute to the last minute, every step of the class is specifically ordered and designed to help you follow the logic of the painting process. You're not following my style, you're following the logic of the science of what makes a portrait realistic. And you work from basic forms and how they evolve into a human face. There is little to no room for confusion or data loss because of the way the logic is taught to you, the way the science is introduced to you. You do not need to be skilled to understand my classes, nor do you need to be familiar with my teaching style or channel history to start this masterclass. This masterclass is a standalone pool of knowledge for anything portraiture. Whether you have a beginner's canvas shyness or are an intermediate student who has that confusion that I'm lost and I don't know how else to improve, this masterclass will provide you with what you need to know, both in knowledge and technique. What's the next step? This masterclass lines it up for you. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's always something to learn here. Thank you everyone who has purchased it so far and for believing in what I do. I hope this masterclass is everything you've been looking for. I have put so much of my time, love, and effort into this, and I spent a lot of time scoping, making sure the price was fair for you guys, running lots of polls on Instagram and YouTube, making sure that this price wasn't too high or too low, that it was fair to everyone, but it's mostly fair to you guys because a single hour portfolio review with me is around $70 US, and this entire class is $90. 4 hours of footage, companion notes, brushes, templates, it just goes on, and the entire 3-month study schedule. It's a lot of stuff you're getting for $90. In the future, there will be updates for this masterclass, including a possible female to male anatomy lecture, so how to paint a male face, attached to this masterclass. In the future as well, I'll be coming out with a separate 3/4 view masterclass video, and I've separated it from this masterclass because there's just a whole bunch of other perspective information that comes with 3/4 view that needs its own masterclass to cover. So thank you again, everyone. I hope this is what you've been looking for. I would love to see what you guys create, so please make sure you find me on Instagram. It's just Istebrak, and DM me your before and afters once you're done the 3 months. I would absolutely love to see them. I can't wait for you to improve, and a lot of people have come back saying this has way more information than you expect. There is so much science behind a front view portrait. There's no way I could teach without teaching every facet of it, and I hope you guys feel that as well. I hope you feel like you get a lot from this masterclass, a lot more than you expected, and I hope you guys improve. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye.